The Houston Genetics BIORETS program brings high school teachers from the Houston area into laboratories in the Department of Biology and Biochemistry at UH and gives them an intensive research experience for 6 weeks.
Right now we are working with fruit flies. At this very time we're trying to virgin them because we're going to set up crosses to study their development. I've been teaching for about 26 years now, and I really was getting a little bit bored with the regular professional development and training, and I was looking for something different. So when I read up on it, I thought, okay, I think I'm going to learn something new here.
With the BIORETS program, the Teach Houston faculty are providing biology teachers with training in culturally responsive teaching as well as inquiry. Houston is a diverse city. It has over 90 languages spoken in the city, and schools definitely represent that diversity and the uniqueness that we have in Houston. So when we talk about being culturally responsive in our teaching, we really mean we're meeting students where they are.
The Houston Genetics BIORETS program is funded by the National Science Foundation for 3 years, and UH is one of the few universities across the United States that were selected to have a program like this.
The research aspect has been really interesting, and I'm taking a few tips back to my classroom on how to make this relevant to my students.
The teachers are learning about genetics and genomics in a few different ways. So they're doing research in labs, and they're being incorporated as a full-fledged lab member. They're learning about specific concepts in things like development. They're learning about evolutionary biology. Now they're also getting visits from experts in genetics. There's multiple reasons why this program is really important right now. Genetics is a very challenging subject for students at a lot of different levels, starting in middle school, but also in high school, and even in college. The students struggle with that content. We want to prepare teachers as well as possible to provide excellent instruction. We're also targeting teachers who work at schools where the students are not performing as well. And so by recruiting teachers from those schools, we're hoping to sort of be able to help those students who are not doing as well do better.
We have to be culturally competent, knowing that we have students from various backgrounds, teachers from various backgrounds. We want to make sure that it's easy for them to be communicative to different communities.
This has been a wonderful experience. Also a humbling experience, because for 26 years I have been the instructor. I'm learning a lot, and also I'm really proud to say that I walked into the lab and one of my students is actually a PhD student here. So the student has become the teacher.